played with my cat. Make it past continuous. 1, 2.
I were playing with my cat.
She was selling balls. Make it negative. She cooks dinner. Make it present continuous.
She was cooking dinner. I can't
He becomes a good actor. Make question.
Is he becoming a good actor?
He write a letter to his brother. Make it simple past.
A simple past?
Yes.
Okay. Negative as well? It says negative ball. Okay.
Mila. Lana learns speaking English. Make it present continuous. Ras. She posted a letter. Make it past continuous. Done. Siva. Lana learns speaking English. Make it negative.
Wasn't Lana?
He cleans his room. Make it negative.
He doesn't clean his room? Yes.
She posted a letter. Make it negative. My teacher teaches English lessons. Make it present continuous.
My teacher teaches English lessons.
Good. I keep the fruit. Make it simple past.
I don't know!
I go to the shopping mall. Make it simple past. Leah, my teacher teaches me English lessons. Make it present continuous. Linda, the dog eats the bones. Make it past continuous. Ronya, the dog eats the bone. Make it simple past.
The dog
He bought a new car. Make it past continuous.
He bought a new car. Make it past continuous. The dog eats the bone. Make it past continuous. They play video games on the weekend. Make it simple past.
We're going to play on the weekend. Games on the weekend.
We talk with friends. Make it negative. Played with my cat. Make it past continuous.
I was playing with my cat.
She posted a letter. Make it negative. Learn speaking French. Make it
Making the
present continuous.
Making the French fries.
1, 2, 3. We talk with friends. Make it negative. 1. He bought a new car. Make it past continuous.